I am at Adelman Peony Gardens with Carol Adelman. And Carol, you know, you are a peony specialist and photographer, but now we have to add author to it because you are co-author of a wonderful new book that's out just a few months ago. It's just lovely, just lovely. Congratulations.
Thank you.
And so what did you want to accomplish with this book?
Well, we needed to show people pictures and characteristics of the new glorious peonies and ones that stand up well and do really well in their garden. Previous books haven't had many photos, so this is a real delight that way.
It is nice. And so it's really for us home gardeners.
Yes.
It's not for breeders or commercial. It's really for us to enjoy and to learn so much about peonies.
Right, and has chapters about designing your garden with peonies and how to plant them, but each variety has a description and its height and whether or not it's fragrant and whether it needs support. But they're all award-winning peonies or some of the newest, best things that are out now.
It must have been hard to pick them, so that was kind of the criteria.
Yes.
And Carol, it has so much information in it, and there is a co-author with you.
Yes, David Michener from the University of Michigan Mattei Botanical Garden, and he's in charge of the peony garden there that was planted in 1922.
Whoa.
Which will have a big celebration for the 100th anniversary in a few years. And we worked together quite well, and I flew back and we put our heads together at the end for 5 days to get you everything perfect in there.
And it's so interesting because Michigan's a little bit different gardening than here, so really peonies can go anywhere in the United States?
Well, they really like cold climates the best, so the very southern parts of the U.S. They're not successful, but they love this snowy weather they've been having up in the northern states.
Carol, the descriptions are really detailed, and so I can get this book and I could really learn so much about peonies, but then where am I going to get them?
Well, you can usually get them at specialty peony growers because they have the newest and the best, where a lot of the garden centers just have the ones from the 1800s. So a lot of them come by mail order. Of course, here at our nursery they can come out and get them right here. But they can grow, the book covers growing conditions throughout the U.S.
And Carol, this is a really wonderful book to come out now because it's been a long time since a really comprehensive peony book came out.
Yes, it's been over 20 years. And like I said, this one has lots of color photos.
And this lovely book is from Timber Press, which is a local publisher in Portland. So come out to Adelman Peonies. They're going to be open in May and June. The flowers are gorgeous. The plants are for sale. You can have some for your garden, and you can pick up this lovely book. So please go to gardentime.tv, and we'll click you over to Adelman Peonies, and you can find out all that information. Congratulations again, Carol.
Thank you.